Welcome back. Today, we're delving into the key ingredients and 7 essential steps to deepen your relationship connection. Whether you're in a new relationship or have been together for years, these steps will strengthen your bond. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Communicate with empathy. Effective communication is crucial. Listen attentively, understand your partner's perspective, and respond with kindness. Step 2. Foster trust and transparency. Build trust through honesty, reliability, and transparency. Share your thoughts and encourage your partner to do the same. Step 3. Prioritize quality time together. Make time for each other. Engage in activities you both enjoy and create shared memories. Step 4. Show appreciation and gratitude. Express gratitude for your partner's efforts and strengths. It fosters validation and love. Step 5. Nurture emotional intimacy. Create a safe space for vulnerability. Share your deepest emotions and foster closeness. Step 6.